I am so happy to be at Jen and Josh's house. This is one of the highlights of this Christmas season for me. We're at Jennifer's house.
Hi, Chrysanthemum.
Hi, Jennifer.
Come on in.
Oh, thank you, Jen. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Oh my God, look at her hallway. She doesn't own being in this. That is beautiful. Come on, guys, let's go find out what else she has in here. Hi everyone, welcome to Christmas 2020. I'm at my niece's Jennifer's house. So we're going to be showing you what she has done with her home and how she decorated the house, getting ready for Christmas. This is my niece, Jennifer. Hey Jen, how are you?
Good. How are you, Chrysanthemum?
Good, good. So what are you going to be showing us today?
So today, I would love to show you all how we decorate our tree in our family. So Christmas is a very special time for us. It's one of our favorite holidays of the year, so that's why we spend a lot of time decorating our tree and decorating the house to really cozy up the whole atmosphere. So I hope you'll enjoy.
You have a beautiful tree. Amazing.
Thank you.
So, what do you got at the bottom of the tree?
Yeah, so I think overall for the tree, what we love to do is add in some accents to the bottom. It really does lighten up the tree and gives it even more of a oomph. So this year we decided to put some Christmas presents that were lit up that we got from a local store, and then we added in the Mary sign to give it a different pattern of the tree. Usually what we like to do is put some pieces on the bottom that will basically light up the last layer, just so it kind of brightens it up. It doesn't keep it dark. So for this year, we decided to do Christmas presents and that were lit up to kind of give you that extra oomph, the extra spruce. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And also in the middle, we put in a Mary sign just to give it a pop. I haven't seen many folks do it, so putting a different sign like Merry Christmas, Noel, blessed, whatever you may have around in your home, whatever signs you have, you can put that in the middle to also accentuate.
Wow, and I love the way you did the ribbon. How'd you do that?
Yes, so the ribbon, so for this year we wanted to do something a little bit different in terms of how we decorated our tree. Usually we do ribbons. I think ribbon is a great addition to your Christmas tree to really give it that elegant department store-esque look. So what we decided to do this year was take 3 different types of ribbons. You can find this at your local Michael's, Joann's, even online stores or online fabric stores, and get 3 different pieces, and you basically put it all together. Different patterns you can do. They could be the same pattern. This is about 1.5 inch wide ribbons that we did. That's why we did 3 pieces, and we kind of tied it together to give it like bows in different areas.
So it's 3 different ribbons. Wow.
It's 3, yeah. It's 3 different ribbons just to give it that different look and feel. And we did the red in the middle as a pop. Since we love red, it's all around in our family room, as you'll see. We wanted to stay with that type of theme and, add in some red bits, so that's why we have the red in the middle.
Awesome.
Yes.
Looks beautiful.
Yes, it's one of our favorites. And once we do the ribbons is actually one of the first things that we put onto the Christmas tree, just so we can figure out the exact placements. We don't need to worry about ornaments. This is a pre-lit tree, so we didn't have to worry about lights or anything. But what we wanted to do was make sure these ribbons are in the exact places that we want it. And then to help fill in the tree, we'll add in the ornaments. We'll add in the decorative stems that you see here that just give the tree a lot more fullness and volume as you look at it, like from an overall standpoint.
Awesome.
Yes.
So what kind of ornaments do you have?
So I have a lot of ornaments here, but we try to stick with a color theme. Usually in our family, we tend to go all out with all ornaments, all different colors. We don't really have any sort of pattern or, very simple colors. We stick with the golds, the transparent white is what I like to call it. Not pure white, but transparent white. And then a little bit of silver, and then obviously the red to just make it pop. So as you add each red piece, it'll start to like pop on its own. And then as you're in person looking at the tree, I feel like you'll appreciate it more because your eyes will be able to focus a little bit easier.
Tell me a little bit more about the type of ornaments you have.
Yeah, sure thing. One of my favorite ornaments that we have is this little snowman guy on a surfboard. Myself and my husband got this on our travels for our first year anniversary when we went to Hawaii. So it just reminds us of the beautiful waters of Hawaii, and we wish we could be there this summer, but due to the pandemic we couldn't. But overall, this just gives us such positive memories, so we have that, so it's near and dear to my heart.
Oh, that's awesome.
The next one that I truly love, this is me personally, is this little angel. I think, we have a lot of angels around us and surrounding us and our family, so this is a very special one to us. And I really especially like this ornament because it is clear, and I think the light just reflects it so nice, especially at nighttime and you're coming close up to the tree. It just glistens so perfectly, so that's one of my favorites as well.
Wow, really nice. I love the angel.
All right, and last but not least, my favorite ornament is one from Paris, the Eiffel Tower that we have here. This ornament holds a very special place in my heart. This is in remembrance of my Suresh uncle. So we always put this up every year just as a reminder that he's around us and with us at all times. This ornament, myself and my husband got this on our first Christmas when we were married back in 2016. So this is our first ornament that we actually put on the tree together. So this also is an ornament that's near and dear to my heart. And it kind of brings back memory in terms of how long we've been married.
Wow. How long have you guys been married? 2 years?
4 years.
4 years? Oh my God, it's been 4 years?
Can you believe? Time goes by.
I just can't believe it.
Yeah.
Wow. Time flew by.
Yes.
Where is Josh, by the way?
Josh is hiding.
All right, so we'll just let him hide today.
Yes. So hopefully you guys enjoy.
Thank you, Jill. Thank you for showing us the tree.
No problem.
You got a beautiful tree, and also you got a tree topper.
Oh yes.
What do you got on the top of the tree?
For the very end, and obviously the most important piece that kind of highlights any tree is the topper, right? Instead of going with the traditional pieces, what we ended up doing is we got a classic star, right? But my husband actually put in the lights. So Josh put in the lights, wove it in by himself, and there's different settings to it. So you see right now that it's glistening, but there's different modes to it, and I think it just gives that extra when you're all sitting together as a family and you want to just take a look, the tree just kind of pops and it gives that glimmer, which I love.
Wow, that's beautiful. It's a beautiful star. So Jen, what do you have on the centerpiece of your table?
Sure. So in the centerpiece, this is my favorite. It is a 2-tiered tray that's used really for decorating purposes. I switch the decor in and out for every holiday, but Christmas is definitely my favorite to decorate of them all. So what you see here is a variety of lot of pieces going on. There's a lot of the overall theme that I decided to go with was a gingerbread theme. And as part of that, you can see here we've got little gingerbread houses, we've got mugs, we've got little gingerbread men. And I just overall had a blast just putting this together. It just brings out a lot of childhood memories, and I just think it's really fun to decorate and to have. There's elegant pieces in your house, and there's also pieces for fun too, and I think this is just one of that. So it's very busy, but it's intentionally meant to be busy. So you can just see like in all different angles wherever you are in the house, you'll see something new or something different that will catch your eye. So
Wow, that is
yes.
looking awesome.
Thank you so much.
And I want to come a little closer and take a look. Wow.
For sure. Yeah, it's really cool. I got different pieces all over, from online stores to your local Home Goods, Marshalls. It's basically where I live these days. And yeah, I just got a lot of inspiration also on Pinterest to do a gingerbread theme type tray. I know many folks do similar types of trays. They even go maybe more of a winter theme they may do instead of gingerbread theme. So there's so many different ways you can decorate a tray, and it's just an awesome addition to the house to just give it that extra, it just gives a different dimension when you're coming in and out of the house, which I love.
Wow, you got some biscottis in there, I see. It's hiding in there.
Yes, I do. And then I have this marshmallow cellar as well that's holding all of some chocolate stirs for hot cocoa. So it was basically a hot cocoa plus gingerbread theme. So you can kind of play into the winter side, but also it plays really well into Christmas.
Awesome.
Yes.
That is beautiful. I'm going to steal that
enjoy.
idea from you.
Go for it. No, it's yours to steal.
Wow.
Yes. And what we have here in my kitchen is just a continuation of the gingerbread and cocoa theme. So what you see here is just a different variety of pieces that I have. I just wanted to carry out that whole theme throughout the entire kitchen, so it kind of stayed all together. So this is it.
Wow, I love all of those individual pieces. I hope you enjoyed this episode as much as I did. I had a lot of fun, and a special thank you to Jennifer for allowing us to visit her house. And wishing everyone a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. We are not finished just yet. I do have behind the scenes, so continue to watch. And also thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and also like, comment, and share. For us, our face have to be
Super bright.
You want to turn off the lights and see?
See what it looks like without? I don't know if it's like washing us. I mean, I don't know. You know best. I mean, this is too dark right now. I would need to put the other light on.
If you put the light from there, from the top, it might take it away.
Will it? Okay.
Yeah. I wish I could adjust this light, but I can't.
You know what I do have?
Yeah.
I have a different, well, I don't know if that's gonna make it different. Yours is big.
You know what? I can just pull it back so it won't be so.
I have this